The Department of Justice is suing the entire Maryland Federal District Court bench. It includes 15 judges. The lawsuit claims the judges are overstepping their powers. And NTD's Richards finds out what could happen if the Justice Department wins.
In a lawsuit filed on Tuesday, the Department of Justice chastised 15 Maryland federal court judges for allegedly using and abusing their judicial powers to interfere with executive branch decisions. The lawsuit, filed in the same district court where the judges preside, claims that 2 court orders require the court clerk to automatically enter an injunction against removing any alien detained in Maryland who challenges their detention. The department claims in its filing that the automatic injunction issues whether or not the alien needs or seeks emergency relief, whether or not the court has jurisdiction over the alien's claims, and no matter how frivolous the alien's claims may be. Attorney Richard Roth explained that the judges typically issue what's called a standing order, and in this case it's to ensure illegal aliens have their day in court.
The standing order is that should anyone be deemed to have been here illegally, then there should be a process to let them face, before they face deportation, to spend a day, to have a day in court to basically tell the court why, in their circumstances, everyone is factually different, they should not be deported and expelled from the country.
It says district courts don't have the authority to challenge or block the executive office from carrying out removal orders. And these standing orders violate congressional limits on district courts' jurisdiction in immigration matters. Roth disagrees and says our system is founded on a balance of power. He says the Trump administration won't win, but...
So if he wins, then he will essentially be overturning the judicial system, which has never happened in the history of this country, because the judiciary is the last branch that looks at these laws.
The automatic injunction also applies to any actions that seek to change the legal status of any alien. The government states that even immigration judges are barred from proceeding with cases that include removal orders. Roth says the government can still apply immigration laws.
So ICE can still arrest people, but what it would do is before they deport people, they arrest someone in a Home Depot and they put them in jail. Before that person's expelled from the country, they would have the ability to go to a court and explain their circumstances.
They're seeking a judgment that declares the orders violate the limitations on district courts' jurisdiction and to block them from enforcing the orders. Richards, NTD News.